Angles formed by parallel lines cut by transversal. Mathematics 7, Module 3, Week 3, third quarter. Learning competencies. The learner derives relationships among angles formed by parallel lines cut by a transversal using measurement and by inductive reasoning. Objectives. The learner should be able to derive relationships between vertical angles and among angles formed by parallel lines cut by a transversal line. Parallel lines are lines that do not intersect. Transversal line is a line that intersects two lines in two distinct points. Let us now study this figure. So we have here the exterior, the interior, and the exterior part. And this one, this line, T, is our transversal line. And line M and line N are what we call our parallel lines. So we have here M, and line M, they are our parallel lines. So this one and this one too. And of course, our transversal line, I'm going to highlight it. This is our transversal line wherein it dissects our parallel line. Okay, so this one is our transversal line. That's it. So, as you can see, when this parallel lines is being cut by a transversal line, there are angles that will be formed. So this part are the exterior angles, and this one on this part are also the exterior angles, and of course the angles that are formed here inside our parallel lines are what we call our interior angles. Let us now define what are these angles that are being formed. So the first one is our interior angles. So interior angles are interior angles on the same side of a transversal line. So the examples here are, we have angle 3, angle 5, angle 4, and angle 6. So these are two pairs of our interior angles. So we have here angle 3 and angle 5. These are our interior angles. And then the next pair, we have angle 4 and angle 6. So this is the pair number 1 and this is the pair number 2. So we have there our interior angles. Let us now proceed with our exterior angles. I'm going to delete it first. So our exterior angles are exterior angles on the same side of a transversal line. So wherein these are on the same side of our transversal line, the angle 1 and 2, and we have angle 7 and 8 are our exterior angles. But then we need to have this pair. So angle 1 and angle 7 are on the same side of our transversal line. So these are our first pair of our exterior angles. So we have here 1 and 7 are our exterior angles, the first pair. And then we have angle 2 and angle 8. In this one, on the right side of our transversal line. And then 8 is an exterior angle on the right side of our transversal line. So we have exterior angles 1 and 7 and exterior angles 2 and 8 are our exterior angles. Let's now proceed with our alternate interior angles. Angles are interior angles on the opposite sides of a transversal line. Okay, so we have here our interior angles, but then we're going to have this alternate interior angles. So we have the first example that we have is pair of angle 3 and angle 6. Okay, so we have here angle 3 and angle 6. So angle 3 is on the left side of our transversal line, wherein this is our transversal line. So these are opposite. And then the next example that we have here is angle 4 and angle 5. So this one, angle 4, is on the right side of our transversal line. And on the left side is angle 5, which is also an interior angle. So that's why we have here alternate interior angles. Okay, so we have angle 3 and angle 6, the first pair of alternate interior angles, and then angle 4 and then angle 5. Let us now proceed with our alternate exterior angles. So alternate exterior angles are exterior angles on the opposite sides of transversal line. So we have the first pair here, which are angle 1 and angle 8. So this one, angle 1, is at the exterior part of our transversal line. And then the pair to that, which is angle 8, is on the right side of our exterior angle. So angle 1 and angle 8 are alternate exterior angles. Next example that we have is angle 2, which is located at the right side of our transversal line, and the opposite side of that is of course our angle 7, which is at the left side of our transversal line. So these are the two pairs of our alternate exterior angle. We have angle 1 and angle 8, and then angle 2 and angle 7, which are located at the exterior part of our figure, of our transversal line. Then the last is we have our corresponding angles. Corresponding angles are angles whose one is in the interior and the other one angle is in the exterior of the same side of a transversal line. So let us take this first example. We have here angle 1 and angle 5. So let us locate angle 1 in our figure. So angle 1 is our exterior. So that is our exterior angle. And then the other corresponding angle to that is also an interior angle already. So it should be interior. Interior, and then this at the exterior angle. So as you can see, there is a gap of one angle between the two corresponding angles. And then the other angle is located at the exterior part of our transversal line. And then the other angle paired to that is located inside our transversal line, or it is what you call an interior angle. Okay, how about the other corresponding angles that you may see? The next pair of our corresponding angles are 3, angle 3, and angle 7. Angle 3 is our interior angle. This is our interior. And then there is a gap of one angle here. So you will never forget the corresponding angles, the pair of corresponding angles. There will always be a gap, or you should skip one angle between the two angles. So the pair for angle 3 is angle 7, wherein it is located at the exterior part of our transversal line. So 3 and 7 are corresponding angles. And then we have here 2, angle 2, and angle 6. That is the corresponding angles. 2 as the exterior angle, then 6 as the interior angle. And then the last pair that we have is angle 4, interior angle, and then the angle 8, which is an exterior angle. And don't forget that they should be on the same side of a transversal line. Angle 4 is at the right side of a transversal line, and angle 8 is also located at the right side of our transversal line. So don't forget that these are the angles that are formed when we have a transversal line that is cutting two parallel lines. So we have here interior angles, exterior angles, alternate interior angles, alternate exterior angles, and we have corresponding angles. Let us now try this figure on the right. So number 1, we're going to name two pairs of interior angles. So let us locate the two pairs of interior angles. So as you can see, this part is our interior angles that are being located. So the first pair that we have is angle B and angle C. Okay. And then the next pair that we have is angle F and angle G. So they are both located on the interior part of our figure of the transversal line. Okay. Next, number 2. Name 4 pairs of corresponding angles. So we're going to name 4 corresponding angles. Don't forget that corresponding angles have one interior angle and the other is in the exterior angle, and they are located on the same side of a transversal line. So our first example is A, where this is the exterior angle, and there should be a gap. We should leave this, and then that is the corresponding angle already for angle A. Okay, so we have angle A, and then when we have angle C, and then the next pair is we have angle E, and then gap, we have angle G. So we have E. So I forgot to put a angle symbol here. So we have angle G. Okay, next we have angle B, which is the interior, and we have angle D, which is this is the interior, and then this is the exterior, angle B and angle D. And then the last pair that we have is angle F. Corresponding angle to that is angle H. So these are already our 4 pairs of corresponding angles. Let us now proceed with number 3, name 2 pairs of exterior angles. So we have 2 pairs of exterior angles here. So exterior angle A And we have exterior angle D. Angle A and angle D. So, they are two exterior angles because they are located at the same side of the transversal line. And then the next part that we're going to have is we have angle E and angle H. So, angle E and we have angle H. And then for number 4, we have name two pairs of alternate interior angles. So, we have alternate angles. We have here angle B, and the opposite of angle B is we have angle G, because we're going to name pairs of alternate interior angle B and angle G. And then the next pair is we have angle F, and the opposite of angle F is we have angle C. So we have angle F and then angle C. So these are the two pairs of alternate interior angles. Let us now proceed with let's analyze. By using the figure below or here at the right side, name the relationship between the following pairs of angles. So we have number 1, angle A and angle C. So here is our angle A and our angle C. Angle A is an exterior angle and angle C is interior angle. So exterior, and this one is an interior angle. And then don't forget if there is here a blank, or we're going to skip an angle. So that means angle A and angle C they are both corresponding angles. So that means our answer here is letter A. Okay, very good. Next, for number 2, we have here angle G and angle D. So angle G, we have here angle G and angle D. They are both located interiorly. They are both interior angle, and then they are both on the same side of our transversal line. That means they are both interior angle. Okay, so that's letter C. How about we have number 3, B and F. So we have angle B and angle F. We have here angle B and then angle F. So angle B is an exterior angle and angle F is also an exterior angle, but they are located at the different side of our transversal line. That means they are alternate exterior angles. So our answer for number 3 is letter B. Okay, very good. Then we have number 4. Angle A and angle F. We're going to locate angle A and angle F. So we have here angle A, which is an exterior angle, and then next is an angle F, which is also an exterior angle, and then they are both located on the same side of our transversal line. That means they are exterior angles. Okay, very good. So next, we have number 5, angle E and angle F. So angle E, okay, so we have here angle E. Angle E is an interior angle. And then our angle F is an exterior angle. So if we have interior angle and an exterior angle, that means they are both. Okay, very good. So they are corresponding angles. So our answer is letter A. Okay. So next we have B and D. We have angle B and angle D. So we have here angle B, which is our exterior angle, and then angle D, which is an interior angle. Then there, we're going to skip this one. That means they are, right, this one is an exterior angle and interior angle. That means they are our corresponding angles. Okay, very good. So they are corresponding angles. And then next, number 7, we have here angle A and angle H. We have angle A and then angle H. Angle A is an exterior angle. Okay, so exterior angle, and then we have also angle H, which is also an exterior angle. But then they are located at the opposite side of our transversal line. That means if they are exterior angles and located at different sides, that means they are our alternate exterior angles. Very good. Next, we have angle E and angle C. We have here angle E and then angle C. They are both on the same side of our transversal line, and then they are both interior angles. That means angle E and angle C are interior angles. Very good. So we have here letter C. And then for number 9, we have angle G and angle C. Okay, we have here angle G on the lower part of our transversal line. And then angle C is at the upper part of our transversal line. But they are both interior angles, but they are on opposite sides. So that means they are alternate interior angles. Very good. Okay, so we're going to have this letter D. Okay, so next we have number 10. Number 10 is angle E and angle D. So here, here is angle E and angle D, angle E and angle D. Angle E is interior angle, and then angle D is interior angle, but then they are located on the different or opposite sides. That means they are alternate interior angles. Very good. So the answer is letter D. Okay, very good. So that's it. So I hope you already know the difference between our or among the corresponding angles, alternate exterior angles, interior angles, alternate interior angles, and our exterior angles. Let us now have our let's try or evaluation part. So we're going to complete the table below, use the given figure. So here is our given figure. I have already given to you the name of the angles form, but we're going to check it again. And then we're going to know which are or where are the location of each angle. So we have number 1, angle 7 and angle 4. So angle 7 and angle 4. So they are corresponding angles because angle 7 is an exterior angle and angle 4 is interior angle, and they are both on the left side of our transversal line. So angle 7 and angle 4 are corresponding angles. Next, number 2, angle 5 and angle 2. Is it correct? Alternate interior angles, right? Because here is our angle 5 on the left side, and then angle 2 is an interior angle on the right side. So they are alternate interior angles. Next, number 3, 8 and 3, or angle 8. We have here angle 8, exterior angle, and then we have angle 3, wherein both of them are exterior angles but on the different side or opposite side of our transversal line. That means they are alternate exterior angles. Very good. Next, number 4, 6 and 2. Angle 6 is an interior angle. Angle 2 is an interior angle, and then they are both on the same side of our transversal line. That means angle 6 And angle 2 is an interior angles. They are one pair of interior angles. Very good. Next, number 5. 5 and 3. We have here angle 5 and angle 3. So angle 5 is interior angle. We have a skip here. And then one exterior angle. That means they are corresponding angles, right? Corresponding angles. Next, let's proceed with angle 8 and angle 2. Okay, angle 8 is exterior, angle 2 is interior. And then they are both on the same side of transversal line. That means they are corresponding angles. Very good. Next, number 7. 7 and 3. Angle 7. Here is our angle 7. And here is our angle 3. Angle 7 is exterior, angle 3 is exterior, and they are both on the same side of our transversal line. They are both on the left side. That means they are exterior angles. Next, number 8. 6 and 1. So 6 is interior angle, 1 is exterior angle, and they are both on the same side of our transversal line. That means they are corresponding angles. Very good. Next, number 5. Number 9. We have angle 5 and angle 4. Here is angle 5 and here is our angle 4. They are both located on the same side of our transversal line, and then they are both interior angles. That means they are interior angles. Very good. Next, we have number 10, 6 and 4. Angle 6 and angle 4. Angle 6 is an interior angle. Angle 4 is an interior angle, but they are located on the opposite side of our transversal line. That means angle 6 and angle 4 are pair of alternate interior angles. Very good. How about 7 and 1? Angle 7, exterior angle. Angle 1 is exterior angle. But they are located on the opposite side of our transversal line. Angle 7 is on the left side of this line. Okay, and then angle 1 is located on the right side of our transversal line. So that means they are alternate exterior angles. Okay, and the last one for number 12, we have 8 and 1. Angle 8 is an exterior angle. And then angle 1 is also an exterior angle. They are both on the right side of our transversal line. That means angle 8 and angle 1 are exterior angles. Very good. You have done a great job for today. So I hope that you have understood our lesson for today about how these transversal lines cut the parallel lines and then they create a pairs of angles, or there are different angles that are formed when a transversal line cut our parallel lines.